everyone, welcome to Shiny's Mantra Corner. Few months back, I was really worried. As in, I was just thinking how my children are going to manage with this online education. And me as a mother, I was just wondering, how am I going to, bring these kids in front of the screen for so many hours? And what's going to happen to their future and so on. But today when I look at myself, I've realized that in midst of all these negative faces, I've become more tech savvy. I've learned to use a lot of apps. My speed in managing these apps have increased and so on. So I think this 2020 has made many of us moms more tech savvy.
Hi, my name is Deepthi. I'm a working mother of two young naughty boys. Firstly, let me thank Shiny for making me part of this video where I am able to share my thoughts on this topic. Though 2020 has been a challenge for almost everybody in this world, but I feel it's a totally different struggle for parents whose kids are going through this online learning session. Initially, though, it was challenging for me and my son to get into the hang of changing between websites, completing the work in the scheduled time, and going through a lot of online activities. It was initially it was a task for us, but then over the few months I think we have become more tech savvy now. Now at least I am more confident as a mother, and I'm more confident to teach my son to even host a meeting in Zoom or maybe in any other online portal like WebEx, where he can host a meeting and for him and his friends, and they can share their ideas, thoughts, maybe videos, pics and all, and they are very good at presenting it to their teacher the next day. So it has been an overall learning experience for me. This though it's a learning experience for the kids, it has been an experience for me as a parent. Though initially, like, I as a working mom, I spend almost half of my day on the computer and browsing internet, but I feel with the online activities and online learning, many parents who are not much into this going with your kids activities and browsing internet or those activities, they have become more confident over these 5 to 6 months. So I would say, though it has COVID-19 or the online learning has been a bit of struggle in the beginning, but yeah, it has made me as a mom, I have become more confident and more tech savvy. Thank you.
My name is Arya. I'm mother of 11-year-old girl. It's been 6 months for all of us sitting at home. Life has changed in this 2020 for everyone in so many ways, especially for kids, to make them engage, taking care of their physical, mental, emotional health. Studies are part of their day-to-day activities because more than a day they are in front of laptop and tabs. In spite of so many negative impact, there are lots of positive impact as well. Being a technical background, it helped me to guide her and same time learn with her new apps, application, music-based videos, creating music, learning art online. Myself, I've learned art with her. While in this journey, every day is learning. I myself improve my presentation skill, communication skill, and also improve thinking out of the box. While seeing her doing all that, now I am more patient than before. Together, exploring, learning, enjoying, Now me and my daughter sharing a very great bond. This 6 months, high and low, taught us if we can make up our mind, we can achieve anything, whatever we want. Virtual system is no more tedious to us, and learning cannot limited only in physical classes. Thank you.
Hi all, my name is Anita. I'm mother of 2 kids. My elder one is doing her schooling through online classes due to the COVID situation. As we all know, we are facing a challenging situation. At first, it was so difficult for us to cope up with the online classes due to my younger son, who is just 2 years old. Later on, we all started to have a routine in a systematic way, and I find it very easier. I could track my daughter's performance of how she is in the class. We used to have a feedback session after every classes, which I feel very helpful. We could easily access through various apps like Zoom, Google Meet and Teams, which help us to connect with our family, friends and relatives, which is most important for our emotional stable behavior. I could personally learn a lot of things through technology because my daughter started to like her online classes. She started to have exciting lessons and she used to study the day-to-day portions very fastly. We use apps like Quizzes, Kahoot, Nearpo and etc. Young generation today, they are more capable and understanding this digital technology which help them for a better future. Finally, I would like to thank Shiny for making me a part of this program. Thank you.
What happens to many of us is whenever a negative phase hits us, we think that life is over, we don't have anything left to plan, we cannot execute anything, and so on. We just feel really helpless. But the mantra which I need to tell you, in fact what life has taught me, is the moment you start taking your negative phases as lessons in life, then we slowly find out that we do not have negative phases anymore. It's only lessons, certain lessons which is trying to teach us something. But we should be ready to extract that lessons. For example, this 2020 online education, many of us mothers, we were really tensed as in how to manage this phase. But today, we know that we've started to become more tech savvy. We've started to learn a lot of things through our children. We are able to manage apps and so on. So, this phase is not negative anymore. It is actually giving us a hint that we have much more talents in us which is yet to be discovered. God bless you.